What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Shortcut Couture. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this cute wig from Alipearl hair. This is a platinum wig. This is not 613. This is platinum. Comes this color already toned, so let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, this wig is from Alipearl. This is what the box looks like when you get it. Once you open it up, it has the specifics on it: 13 by 4, 24 inches, 200% density. Of course, you have your goodies on the inside, you know, all the regular stuff, the wig caps, elastic bands, silk bags, all that good stuff. And the star of the show is the wig. Child, this wig came already plucked, already bleached. You don't need to bleach these. There's no bleaching of the knots. You don't need to tone it, nothing. I did nothing to this wig. I just put that bad boy on. I did pluck a little tiny bit, but what I will say is be very, very careful when plucking a platinum wig because it's already so processed. It makes the lace a little bit weak. So if you are going to pluck it, just be very, very careful.
We take a picture, get posted. How that work? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my?
Okay, so I already had my wig cap on. So right here, all I'm doing is just putting some glue on my hairline. This is the Ghost Bond glue. I'm going to be doing 2 layers of this glue.
Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
So now, as you guys can see, that glue is clear. So now I'm just putting that wig right on, putting it right up in there, right where the glue is at, and you know the regular. Use the comb, press it in, blow dryer, all that good stuff. So now it's time to cut the lace. So I'm just using my eyebrow razor and cutting that lace. As you guys can see, the lace is like super HD already. That's one thing I will say about most platinum wigs. The lace on them are usually, you know, pretty HD. This one was exceptionally good. I literally did nothing really to it. So for this look, I'm just going to do the middle part. I'm going to straighten it, put some baby hairs on it, you know, like, y'all, this wig is so pretty. Oh my gosh, everybody was on my body when I wore this wig. Like, they was on my body. Oh my god, I love it.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die, party. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my? So won't you say my? my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
All right, guys, so this is the final look. As you guys can see, the fingers are running right through the hair. The hair is nice and silky. Even though it is platinum blonde, it is not over processed. It literally looks so good. Like, oh my God, it looks so good. I got so many compliments on this wig. People were trying to literally buy this wig off of my freaking head. Like, oh my gosh, it is such a look. Like, definitely check out Alipearl for this wig. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Yeah, it's a good time. They say blondes have more fun, and they definitely do. Had a ball, had a time. So yeah, definitely check them out. I will put the information in the description box. And that's it for this video, you guys. Bye.